Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to make this cool Photoshop effects in Adobe Photoshop. So you must have seen this effect everywhere you go: Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. It's an effect that's really popular right now, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make it in Photoshop in a few minutes. So we go to our Photoshop and open a new file and choose the size of your canvas. So you have a new file. So we're going to set a background fill of our background fill is going to be 760C0C. Yes. So we're going to be working with a red theme today. So we set our background fill. Now we're going to go to the next stage, which is where we carve out our shape. So we carve out our shape, we go to the pen tool. After adding a layer, go to the pen tool and draw your shape. So you just have to use the pen tool to create the desired shape you would want, complete the shape, and then you have a shape. So we're going to set the color of our shape to a red, a lighter red than the background red. So let's see, something this should do. Then to get this pattern effect on your design, you would get a pattern that matches what you want to work with. If it's tech, you can find a tech pattern, a computer pattern, something like that. But for today, we'll be working with this wavy pattern here that I already have on my laptop. So you bring the pattern into Photoshop and then you clip it to the shape layer. So you click creative, clip on it, and then you can see that your pattern has taken the shape of your shape layer. So now we can change the blending mode of your pattern to the one that suits what you'll be doing. So for me, I think color burn will work best, but it always depends on what you're doing and the type of pattern, the background of the pattern you're using. So now we can already see our stuff coming to life. We just need to give it this 3D look now using our light brush. So we're going to add another layer and clip it to the shape layer also, and then go to our brush tool. In our brush tool, we will set it to a light, very light red, which is FF919, and then we'll increase the size of our brush a bit, increase the bit, and then we just follow the pattern. So follow the pattern of your shape, follow the pattern of your shape, follow the pattern of your shape, and then we can already see our design coming to life. So if you want to make it pop a little bit more, you can add another layer and also clip it, then go to a lighter red than the red you used before, reduce your brush size a bit, and then follow the shape at the edge. So you can see we already have it in front of us, our pattern. So I'm sure that you were able to follow us, but if you're not able to follow, you can drop your questions in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer you ASAP. See you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share so that you can get more tutorials like this on Photoshop. Bye guys.